Got tasks on the niggas' ass, tell me will they blast me? I think of an alias in case these crooked bitches ask me now. It's getting crazy after dark, these knocks be like trying to shut me down, but I'm too smart. Now bitchin' is scared of a penitentiary. I've been moving these things since the days of elementary. Now tell me what you need when you see me. I'm stacking G's, buying all the things on TV. Believe me, I got some killers on my payroll, and they know when it's time to handle business, nigga, lay low. Although I'm young, I'm still coming up. I'm getting paid, pulling raises on niggas when they running up. The first to pull a strap when there's drama. Buster, you ain't heard, I've been slicing motherfuckers since I lost my mama. There ain't a cop that can stop me. My posse is cocky and they don't quit until they drop me. I'm loyal to the game. Get it on till I die. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me?
It's that Tupac, 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 it's that Tupac.
After the fire comes the rain, after pleasure there's pain. Even though we broke for the moment, we were all in the game. Tell them, yo, my military, be prepared for the buses. Similar to bitches that's scary, get too near me. We bustin' visions of overpacked prisons. Millions of niggas thug living, precious. 3 strikes, I hope they don't test us. And polar heat, ammunition, and crates. Shh, but without a sound as we slide down, pistols in place. I'm sensing niggas is defenses. I'm hitting fences and getting ghosts. Who can prevent me shooting senses at these niggas' throats? Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaw bustin' while we rushin', untouchable. Fuck you niggas in that bullshit you going through. We outlaws rushin' you, bustin' you, untouchables. Only wish to breed, I explode into a million seeds. Y'all remember me, legendary, live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fit reincarnation. Niggas screaming peace cause they fit when my squad face them. Take them to places, face to face, then erase them and break them. Murder motherfuckers out of rating the quicken and base. Blast me but never ask me to live a lie. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Now worldwide, niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense to knives, but this whole fucking world is mine. Even if you blind, you can still see my prophecy. My destiny to overthrow those on top of me. Feeding for currency, the money be calling, can you feel me? Dreaming, seeing scenes of me ballin'. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaw bustin' while we rushin', untouchable.